Today we're going to do voice over IP, that is IP telephone. First of all, we have to terminate the cables starting from the switch side, moving over to the PBX side. Now I'm doing a straight through connection, then we're going to connect it over to the PoE switch over there, and then we connect it to the PBX, and then finally we're going to do it over the network. Now we are connecting the RJ45 cable to the PoE switch that is going to feed the IP PBX. Don't mind the cabling, it's a bit untidy, but I'm going to redo everything. This is our PBX, the IP PBX. It's Yista model S20, capable of taking up to 20 extensions. It can be connected to FXO gateways, FXS gateways, GSM gateways, and all the rest. Its model is Yista, as you can see. Let's unbox it. Yeah, this is our PBX. Very small in size. It can fit practically everywhere in your office. It comes as a, see, these are the FXS ports. This is the one port, this is the LAN port. This is where you put a transflash or a memory card, and this is the power source. Here we have the RJ45 cable that we're going to link, but we're not going to use this one since we have already pulled a Cat6 cable, and the one I have shown you terminating. And then this is its power supply. That's going to put it directly into an UPS, an interrupted power supply source, to feed it. Even if when there is a power loss, it can be sustained for about half an hour. Now this is our PBX. This is the place, the rack where we're going to mount it. This is the other end of the RJ45 cable that we terminated, and this is the power supply. So I'm going to plug it back to power like that. It's on. Then we put the PBX into the LAN port. Don't think can my cameraman see the LAN port?
Yes.
We're going to put it there on the LAN port like that. And then we're going to check for the status here. The status ports. Yeah, we have the power supply is on, the system light is on, the LAN port is on, and all the gateways are in orange. Now our gateway is 192.168.0.20. So we're going to change this subnet. We add a new subnet so as it corresponds with the PBX. So we're going to add a new IP range, 192.168.5.20. The subnet is the same. Then we add, then okay to save this configuration. Close everything. Now we can do a command prompt. We see whether we can reach the PBX by pinging it. So we ping 192.168.5.150. we see whether we can reach it. As you can see, we can reach the PBX, so that means we are in the same gateway, we are in the same subnet now with the PBX. So you open a web browser and you type in the IP address of the PBX, which is 192.168.5.150. Obviously this is a secured connection, so it will take you to that security desk, and then the username is admin and the password is the name password. And you are inside the PBX now, where you say you have to agree to all the terms and conditions. You confirm. Now this is the configuration wizard. Yeah, so you just tell it, you continue with the setup. So the administrator settings, yeah. Alright, now guys, we have configured the PBX. We set up the LAN IP. So you type that onto your browser, then you use the username. I'm using the default one. Then we can log in into the password, into the PBX, and then we can come and we check the status. Come here to PBX monitor. As you can see, all the 9 extensions are registered. It has all the phones. We can check the trunks. All the trunks are registered, and we are using what we call SIP trunks. Our provider is JTL or Jamii Telecom. We have 2 numbers. They have reserved for us a very specific number as per our request. So basically we are not having a physical line on board. We are having what we call SIP trunks. Taking it further, you can see on settings, that is where you have all your trunks configuration. Okay, I can show you. So these are the trunk configurations. Yeah, so you have the username and then the password, and then you come over to the call control. This is where you program your calling in and calling out. Like this one I can show you. For a specific inbound, we are going to use one trunk for specific extensions. So all calls landing through this trunk will land at that specific extension, which is reception. On the other hand, if we choose the other trunk, you see, this is the second trunk. All calls coming in from this trunk will land to this specific extension, which is about 5 floors away. The phones are now fully registered to the PBX. As you can see now, all the VoIP phones are fully registered to the PBX, and we can now make calls between extensions or calls between departments. Yeah, this is the other extension. It's fully registered to the PBX, and we're going to demonstrate by calling this extension. This is extension 102. I'll call it in a few. Hi guys, this now is the reception console or the reception phone that is going to be the one receiving inbound calls to the PBX. It's extension number 100, and we're going to try it out to call extensions like extension 103, 102. As you can see, the extension called is ringing. Yeah, it's ringing from that specific extension. There is also a simpler way of adding up extensions. It's called phone auto provisioning. This one here, you click on this, and all your phones on the network that are connected to that PBX, they will show up and they will be connected automatically, extensions given out automatically. So it's easier this way if you are not familiar with the manual addition and configuration of extensions. if you like more of this,